Hello students, welcome to the first video lecture of the class 11 physics. Yesterday I shared the link of your syllabus of class 11 physics. You note down your syllabus on the first page of your notebook. For this year, CBSE reduced the 30% of the syllabus, and the first unit of this syllabus is Physical World. Physical World is an introduction lecture about the physics. What is the physics? How it is related with the society? What are the different branches of the physics? All this part we are going to discuss in this unit. Let us start the unit. What is actually it? What is the science? What mean by the science? The science is a Science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes the knowledge in the form of table. Science is the systematic enterprise that builds and organizes the knowledge in the form of table, explanation, prediction about the universe. It is a knowledge about the universe which is systematically arranged in the form of a table, explanation and prediction about the universe. In an older and closely related meaning, science is also refers to body of a knowledge itself, of the type of that can be rationally explained and reliably applied. A practitioner of a science known as a scientist. The investigation of physics generally follows the scientific methods. Means for the investigation, any discoveries in the science, they follow the methods that observation. मीन्स एनीथिंग इज ऑब्जर्व इन द यूनिवर्स. कोई भी चीज़ अगर यूनिवर्स में देखा तो उसका इनिशियल डेटा टेबुलर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. देन कलेक्शन ऑफ ए लीडिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस, उसके ऊपर क्या डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस आ रहे, जैसे हाइपोथेसिस, फॉर्मुलेशन, टेस्टिंग, इंटरप्रेट ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स, रिवाइज हाइपोथेसिस इफ नेसेसरी एंड स्टेट द कंक्लूजन. दीज आर द स्टेप्स फॉलोड for any scientific investigation. Some of the hypotheses can be tested by making the observation. कुछ observation से hypothesis test किए जाता है और एक particular conclusion पे आ जाएंगे. Other can be tested by building model or relating it to the real life situation. Some discoveries are made by building the model, रिलेटेड इट टू रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन. कुछ मॉडल डेवलप करके अलग अलग ऑब्जर्वेशन लेना, इस तरीके से साइंस में थ्योरी डेवलप होता है. दीज आर द डिफरेंट स्टेप्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ द रिसर्च. स्टेट द प्रॉब्लम. जो प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम ये कोई सिचुएशन है उसके ऊपर जो प्रॉब्लम है, दिस इज द स्टेट द प्रॉब्लम. गैदर द इंफॉर्मेशन, उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना. फॉर्म द हाइपोथेसिस, test the hypothesis, analyze the data, draw the conclusion, and hypothesis not supported, जो सोचा था उसके बारे में अगर नहीं सपोर्ट किया था, modify the hypothesis. और if hypothesis is supported, जो हमने assume किया था वो अगर support करता है, repeat this several times and then come to the conclusion. These are the different way how to research is carried on. Then what is the physics? What is the physics? The way of describing the physical world. The physics come from the Greek letter that physics means nature, and Latin physica meaning natural things. Physics is the understanding the behavior and structure of the matter. So this physics, that word comes from the Greek letter physis meaning is a nature, and Latin physica meaning is a natural things, and combine this word is a physics So what is the physics? Physics is the study of the nature and natural phenomenon. नेचर का स्टडी और नेचर में जो भी चीज़ होता है, जैसे eclipse, formation of the eclipse, day and night, such things are occur in the nature, they are studied in the physics. So physics is the study of the systematic study of the nature and natural phenomena. It deals with the how and why the matter and energy acts as they do. They deals with the how and why the matter and energy acts as they do. Energy is a conceptual system for the explaining how the universe works and accounting the changes in the matter. Although energy is not a thing, three ideas about the energy are important. It is changed from one form to the another form, means transformed by the physical event. It transfers from one form into the another form. It cannot be created nor destroyed. इसके क्रिएट भी नहीं किए सकते ना डिस्ट्रॉय किए सकते. इट इज़ ए conservation. So when it is transferred, some of the usually goes into the heat. Energy when transferred one form to the usually goes to the heat. So this is the meaning of the physics, science, and this is law of a conservation of the energy. And there are the different branches of the physics. What are the branches of the physics में क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे? तो पहला दिस इज द थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, हीट एंड टेम्परेचर से रिलेटेड जो ब्रांच है उसको बोलेंगे थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. उसके बाद मैकेनिक्स, मोशन एंड इट्स कॉजेस, इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. तो दिस ब्रांच ऑफ द फिजिक्स इज नोन एज ए मैकेनिक्स. वाइब्रेशन एंड वेव्स, दिस इज द पीरियोडिक मोशन. अगर वाइब्रेशन और वेव्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, दिस इज अनदर ब्रांच, वेव्स एंड ऑसिलेशन. और ये एटॉमिक फिजिक्स, structure of the atom, energy associated with atomic changes. This branch will discuss this known as the atomic physics. Then nuclear physics, structure of the nucleus, energy associated with the nuclear changes, this known as the nuclear physics. Electromagnetism, electricity and magnetism and EM waves which are studied in this electromagnetism. Then optics, behavior of the light. Optics is a branch of the physics where study the behavior of the light, how this refraction, reflection, interference of the light, all this is a photoelectric effect. All these are studied in the part of the optics. So these are the various branches of the physics, and according to their type of the study, the branch is classified. Physics is related, how physics is related to the society. Physics is how it is used for the society or related to the society. Regarding this, we'll discuss here. Physics is the study of the matter, energy and their interactions. So what is the physics? Is the study of the, earlier I said that physics is the study of the nature and natural phenomena. In the same way, physics is study of the matter, energy and interactions. Is an international enterprise which plays a key role in the future progress of the humankind. The support of the physics education and research in all the countries is important because physics is a exciting intellectual adventure that inspires young people and expands the frontiers of our knowledge about the nature. So that due to this study of the physics, we get the knowledge about the future nature and future knowledge, the different progress in the society which will be takes place due to this knowledge. The physics generates the fundamental knowledge needed for the future technologies and advances that will continue to drive the economical engine in the world. So this physics is used to generate the fundamental knowledge needed for the future technologies. All different technologies develop, or this knowledge is used. Physics contributes the technologies infrastructure and provided it trained personnel needed to take the advantage of the scientific advances and discoveries. So this is a another application or related to the physics, how this is a different things are universe they occurs and used. Physics is an important element in the education of a chemist, engineers and computer scientists, as well as practitioners of the different scientists. Physics extends the enhanced understanding and disciplines such as earth, agriculture, chemical, biological and environmental sciences plus astrophysics and cosmology, subject of a substantial importance to the people of the world. It is also used for understanding the development in instrumentation and technology in the medical appliances. So different medical appliances are developed by the using the knowledge of a physics. Physics improves our quality of the life by providing the basic understanding necessary for developing the instrumentation and techniques such as a computer tomography. So this is a computer tomography, means it is a kind of the scan which is used for the medical purposes. The magnetic resonance imaging, this is a they also known as a MRI. With this instrument or knowledge of this physics which is used for the making the MRI. Then laser surgery. For the laser surgery, this is a dedicated part of the eye is a easily by using the laser surgery is a defect of the eye is removed. So the positron emission tomography, this is another application of the knowledge of the physics. Ultrasonic imaging, that baby baby, the status of the baby or health position we can doctor can be judged by using the ultrasonic imaging. So these are the different things where physics knowledge is used and it is helpful for the society. So today we discuss about the what is the physics, what is the science और इसका सोसाइटी से रिलेटेड क्या है और डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस ऑफ द साइंस. बस आज के लिए इतना ही. अगले